At the end of the year, your production data tells a story, and most factories don't realize how much their 2025 data already reveals about their performance. Let's look at the insights hidden inside it. When you step back and look at a full year of data, patterns appear that you never see day to day. Yet most plants never explore these insights. In many factories, the same machines cause 80% of downtime. Mondays and Friday afternoons show loss peaks. Some teams outperform others on the exact same equipment, and micro-stops add up to more lost time than major breakdowns. These insights stay invisible because the data lives in Excel, reporting is too aggregated, and teams rarely compare machines or shifts. There's simply no time to dig into the details. A simple annual review should highlight your top 5 causes of downtime, performance differences between teams, your most critical hours or days, and how OEE trended month by month. Your 2025 data already contains the answers. You just need to know where to look. And 2026 starts with understanding 2025. Once you reveal what your data actually shows, improvement becomes much more straightforward.